Good morning, everyone. John for Popeyes Postcards. Yeah, I know I didn't do a video Friday. That's okay. No problems. These are the sales on eBay from Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, 3 days. I think 3 days. Whatever the 8th through the 10th is. 29 orders, 320 bucks. I did send some offers on the airplane store. 11 orders, 125 bucks. I did end and relist over there last week. I had like 1,600 items. Nothing. Usually on my main store, right after end and relist, I usually get a huge spike in sales that very next day. I didn't sell anything on on the airplane store for like 2 to 3 days, and then I did get some nice sales there. But yeah, it was a little bit different than on my main store where it's a $400 to $500 increase in a day. So anyway, I'm not going to go over all 29 postcards that sold. This is artist signed La Perique, however you say it. Ball, woman, bonnet, jug of wine, loaf of bread. So there's a poem. There's the artist information. This has been up for a long time. $6.99 is what it eventually sold for. Humor, doctor, sculpture, run doc. It was a circumcision, not a castration. Dr. Humor. Oh, wait, there's a gun. I just noticed the guy has a gun. Looks like a gun. Anyway. Yeah, I think I got this at the York Postcard Show last year, maybe on the quarter box. Just it's weird. It's strange. So always buy weird and strange postcards. This one sold for $18.99. Shoshola, something like that. There's no extra S. But anyway, it's Pike County, Old Man's Face and Rock, 1909, published by Fritz Vaught. Yeah, $12.99 for that card. Next is Angels Camp, California, Mule Team, Load of Logs, Fourth Mine. I've sold several cards from this Angels Camp, and they've always done extremely well. $8. I don't think I paid $8. I probably paid $5 for this because I knew that I've always had really good luck with that. So anyway, got 27 on a best offer. Newport News and Norfolk, Virginia Ferry Pier, WGH Station. And this sold for $9.99. Next, Boston, the Polynesian Village Tiki Bar Restaurant Drinks. Tiki bar stuff always sells extremely well, so keep an eye out for it. $14.99 for that card. New Orleans, Louisiana, Begays. This restaurant, it's a restaurant. Looks like the Absinthe House, but it's a restaurant. Undivided back, $8.99. Ohio, this is Beach City, and it's the high school. 1909, $4.75 on a best offer. St. Petersburg, Florida, Tides Hotel and Bath Club Aerial View, $4 on a best offer. Next, yep, this place in Long Island, it's a post office. I have a whole bunch of these, maybe not of this. There's like a series, a set of these cards from that place, and this, I think, is one of the first ones that sold, and I've had it up for probably a year or so. Los Angeles Vicinity Freeway Map Vintage, probably 1950s or 60s. $7.49 for that card. Montgomery Del Monte Lodge, this is in California. Real photo. $9 on the best offer. Pineville, Kentucky Chained Rock overlooking City Pine Mountain. Sold for $6 on a best offer. Advertising, Waynesboro, McCown, and Wolf House Furnishers Black Cat Maid. Oh, it's F-O Outcalt. If I had room, I would have put that in the title. I think that artist signed information is secondary, maybe, excuse me, maybe even tertiary to everything else that's going on in that postcard. $13 is what it brought in. I'm not sure where I'm at. $13 for that one. Coloma, Wisconsin Sunset Point Store, Pleasant Lake, real photo. Sold for $24.99. I don't remember where I got it. Maybe at the York Postcard Show, but I'm not 100% sure. But $25. This is Montana St. Mary Chalets and Lake Glacier National Park. Real photo, and sold for $10.99. This is Houston, Texas, summertime on the bayous around Houston, 1912. Sold for $7 on a best offer. Weeki Wachee, Florida, group mermaids greeting entrance statue. And that's sold for $9.99. Goldsboro, North Carolina, the Fountain Herman Park. And that sold for $5.99. New Orleans, Louisiana, Tulane University Campus View, 1906. And that sold for $9. Patriotic World War I, charging into battle, Doughboys, soldier flag. Has a significant amount of foxing or discoloration, but still sold for $10. Romney, West Virginia, bridge over South Branch Potomac River, 1940s. And that sold for $11.79. And again, there was, another probably 10, 15 postcards I did not show, lower value, and one was an execution that sold for 30 some bucks, so I did not show those. Reminder that this weekend coming up, there's postcard shows in Albany, New York, Kent, Washington, and then the following week, Land O'Lakes Paper Show. This one's sponsored by Mary Martin. And then the week after that, Ohio. So go out and attend a postcard show. I think you'll enjoy it. I do have a WhatNot auction tomorrow. Tuesday's usually my curated lots. I don't know if I'm going to have time to get curated lots together. I just don't know. So we might just continue maybe smaller 50 card lots from states. I don't know yet. I'll try to put something together. I just really crunched for time this week. But anyhow, I thank everybody for continuing to watch this, and I hope you have a good sales day. Thank you.